bat pli yakane kaparish batmai haparyong ba kabantip kum kaparish jong kamaria kakmi jong play Mary Mother of God Parish Paryong balai ti haga cingada jong kamaria bukut Article 1 upod usam bat kishnam iban kentut hakane kaparish kamaria kakmi uplay kaparyong kan kentut yakine kishnam harum paryong penlang ngikse nong like namlang banriu dom mauli bahnyau maurenjam bakra ringis saulia bakhendai nongdom bashipau dom petknyang bakatway domba bakadar patau katlai krem katsau waklulong bakatsan karteng Artikel PA Kaying Mani Parish Kaying Mani Kadon Haparish Kanlong Kaying Mani Kabadon Haparyong Kanlong Kaying Mani Parish Hangle Ujisu Don Lenter Hakayu Kares Bukut Hataban Nakal Kani Kaying Mani Parish Kalong Kapreng Jong Kajing Mani Blay Kadei Kaying Jingdwai Kacakari kenen bakan jaman sin ya kibadut bakermen ya kibadut jingkermen ya kibatlot bat kibapop naka enmi kicing kayam bat ya ka akor Kristen bat longriu naka ni kaying mani parish kipai chongblay kinyo ya kicing saman sin bilba kisakramen bat kicing lenyam bat kadeiru kadak jong ka jinglong kaway kayeng kasem jong kani kaparish ya kakam saray mensim na kabanta upay jublay jong kani kaparish paryong lapen kamti ha Reverend Father Alfred Almeida Pillars Father SFX uban don ya ka jingkit kli banyalam ha ka jingim mensim ban pendep ya kitam sakramen bat ban kentiu ban kershan ya kabha kamiat bat haba ro kilyang ka artikel pasau ka tarik sedang trekam kani kadulir ka sedang trekam nadu kendai tarik uleber arjal arpusan bat ya ka paris thmai enkliru ha ka kendai tarik leber march arjal arpusan da kamas bakur ringkat kat kiwai pat kirkom rakhe buram ka artikel basan kacing pentrekam ubikar general commission procurator chancellor bat kiwai pat kinong trei senrok jong kanong stone diocese kin pentrekam ya kacing tha jong kane katulir la pendip pendiang ya kane katulir hakakat pra tarik rempang Arajar Arpusan Hayung Bishop Nongstone Diocese.
Adin bagi lejos ke wilayah ketua tulir sang Paris Mai mentang khot ya Bishop ban pli perda ya uni umau sak kemau jong kani ke Paris Mai ban bah juga poren penher ya kini balun kedak kesil balap ni ya uni umau sak kemau dan kecingkemen ke bakrau domini thapti bagi lagi yang ke Paris Mai Mary Mother of God Paris Paryong Dihagni kapor kandan pade sa kajing thung Paris thung yau Paris Breeze Jua begin bahkan yad kariti kajing beli jeng thung yau Paris Breeze jengi mentang instang na kabangi sa skor ya ka city tung parish priest ba ansa pule hangi da i father answer nang lang bika general ka city kadai ha ka tian English dengan sa skor kumba kalong.
Appointment of parish priest. The Catholic Diocese of Longstoin, appointment of parish priest. By the grace of God and favor of the Apostolic See, Diocese of Longstoin, greetings and blessings to the Reverend and beloved fellow worker in Christ, Father Alfred Almeida, SFX. By the virtue of this letter, I appoint you as the pastor, parish priest of the parish of Mary, Mother of God, Parish Padion, East and West Casil District, Meghalaya. And I commit to you the full care of souls in that with all faculties, duties, rights, and privileges according to the code of canon law and approved custom of the diocese. You will exercise your function as parish priest until the appointment is recalled. By Most Reverend Wilbert Marwayne Didi, Bishop of Longstoin, West Cassians District, Meghalaya. By the order of Bishop, signed Reverend Father George Jaran Chancellor, Longstoin, Bishop's House, Longstoin, West Cassians, Meghalaya.
Mentang pating saya new ya kecing sa kecing na o parish priest jungi